Welcome to a complete course of building financial dashboard in Google Data Studio. In this course, I will share with you a complete information in a practical way that how we can make a financial dashboard by using Google Data Studio. This course is going to be very interesting, so stick with me and let's start. We will cover in this course financial database visualization from financial reports. The existing reports or the results, we will visualize that data like profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow statements. Getting financial data through Google Sheets to the Google Data Studio. Time series charts for revenue, expenses, net profit and net profit margins. We will learn selection of time series and report time and date sheet. We will learn also sharing reports and how we can update financial data after we have completed a report. We will know also the error recognition and fixing of those errors in Google Data Studio. Scorecards to show the comparison of previous data. Pie charts, bar charts and area charts also. We will create also page navigations. The page navigations will be the links which will direct us to the other pages of the reports. So next I will share with you the process of building a financial dashboard. Let me share with you the process of building financial dashboards in Google Data Studio. First of all, we need to import data from Microsoft Excel to the Google Sheets. The Microsoft Excel will be having the reports which we can get from any accounting software. We can export data to the Microsoft Excel, and from Microsoft Excel we will copy and paste our data to the Google Sheets. After that, we need to connect our Google Sheet data to the Google Data Studio, and from the Google Data Studio we will do the charts, scorecards, tables, design of the charts, navigations, links, and after that, when we will be done, we will know that how we can share the reports and fix if there will be any error, and also the editing. So the requirement to learn this course, only the basic requirements, which is the Google Chrome. You should have a Google Chrome in your system, Google account, and the basic skills of Excel or the Google Sheets. Google Sheets and the Excel both are similar, almost similar, but the Google Sheets are more effective rather than the Excel. So in our coming lectures I will start building the Google Sheets, the raw data, for connecting to the Google Data Studio. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will share the next lecture soon. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest videos. Till then, goodbye.